Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a quarter circle in Onshape. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now click sketch in the top left toolbar here in this left side sketch. Right click on it and then edit. Right here sketch plane, select which one you like. I choose the top plane. All right, and you will also see that here when you select this sketch edit, this top toolbar changes. Okay, so now what we are going to do, select center point circle, this one right here. You can also press just C on your keyboard. Okay, select that one. Now let's make a circle. I will go as big as possible, like that. Now we have it. Okay, now next thing what we need to do is select line tool. So it will be this one. You can also press just L on your keyboard and draw one line from the center up to the top edge. All right. And then we will draw another one from the center to, let's say, somewhere here, something like that. All right. We have now two lines placed here. Now what we will do is we will trim. So we will select here this scissor icon tool. You can also press M on your keyboard. Now click here where you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this part, and just like that, this circle is now gone, as you can see. And we have changed our circle to this quarter, or how to say it. Um, Now make sure these two lines are not intact, so they form a closed pie slice shape. The inside of the quarter circle will turn shaded gray to show it is a closed loop. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the